Welcome everybody. Sometime we are confused how to use NPN or PNP transistor, and today I have these two transistors. One of them is PNP and the other one is NPN. In this video we will learn how to use them. Let's see. Construction and connections. If we take a look inside these two transistors, we will find PNP transistor consists of three regions. First region collector is positive, the second one base is negative, and the last one emitter is positive. Also, you will find the NPN transistor consists of three regions. First region collector is negative, the second one base is positive, and the last one emitter is negative. In PNP transistor, when we connect voltage between base and collector as you see in video, nothing will happen, but when we connect voltage between base and emitter, the current will flow from emitter to collector. Here we will find that the base is connected to the negative terminal of power source. The base emitter circuit is called control circuit, and base collector circuit is called power circuit. And the collector current will be equals emitter current minus base current. In NPN transistor, when we connect voltage between base and collector as you see in video, nothing will happen, but when we connect voltage between base and emitter, the current will flow from collector to emitter. This is the first difference between PNP and NPN transistors. Also, the base is connected to positive terminal of power source. This is the second difference. And the collector current will be equals emitter current minus base current. Load connections. When we connect load with PNP transistor, load will be connected between collector and negative terminal of power supply. When we connect load with NPN transistor, load will be connected between collector and positive terminal of power supply. Let's try. This is PNP transistor BD140. Now we will connect green LED to show how does it work. Now we connect the power supply positive terminal to emitter. After that we connect the LED to collector. After that we connect the LED another terminal to negative terminal of power supply. Now we will connect the base to negative signal. As you see, the current will flow from emitter to collector and LED will open. This is NPN transistor BD139. Now we will connect green LED to show how does it work. Connect the LED to collector and the other terminal to positive terminal of power supply. Now we connect the power supply negative terminal to emitter. Now we will connect the base to positive signal. As you see, the current will flow from collector to emitter and LED will open.